Hello guys! I hope you're ready to go into the exciting world of nature guiding along with us. My name is Nanika, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a unique first of its kind certification program that was conducted for training of nature guides. This program was conducted by the Naturalist School in association with the Forest Department of Karnataka, Jungle Lodges and Resorts, TVS Motors, and National Skill Development Council. It's no secret that we all love Mother Nature so much, isn't it? So would you like to know what a nature guide is? Nature guides are trained professionals whose purpose is to open up the wonder of nature for you. They do this by bringing in scientific knowledge as well as interactive storytelling about everything found in nature. Birds, trees, mammals, insects, to name just a few. The CNG program involved a good mix of fieldwork, group projects, classroom training, and experiential learning for the participants. The nature guides and the faculty were hosted at Banerghatta Jungle Lodge for this rigorous and immersive 200 hours long program. And so with that, our nature guides are ready for their final assessment so that they can get certified and go out into the world to spread the joy of nature with others.